again, if you add one color to the rainbow of LGBTQ flag, what color will it be and why?
Thank you so much. If there's one color I wish to add in the rainbow, that color will be gold. As we all know, gold is something that is being tarnished and is being worked on in order for it to become better. Gold is a symbol of strength. Gold is a symbol of power. And as a member of an LGBTQ community, each of the color has its own representation already. But if with the inclusion of gold, we can definitely say that we are more colorful, we are brighter if gold is included to it. So let's be gold to everybody. LGBTQ community, we are as precious as the gold that you can see in the pawn shop. We are precious as something that you could see somewhere else, because right now I believe that gold symbolizes power for the LGBTQ community. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you so much.